Reed laying ceremony of Havaldar Jugal Kishore, Rifleman Arunachal, Akshay Pathania, Vishal Sharma, Rakesh Singh, Ankesh Bharadwaj and Gunner Gurbach Singh of Indian Army who made supreme sacrifice in the line of duty took place at Tezpur Air Force Station on Saturday. General Officer Commanding Gatraj Corps, Lieutenant General Ravin Khosla, UYSM, AVSM, SMVSM and other military officials paid last respect to the brave hearts. After the ceremony, the mortal remains were sent to Aknur, Kathua, Dharkalan, Khor, Bajinath, Kangra, Gamarwin and Batela, their native places in the states of Punjab, Himachal Pradesh and Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. The Bravehearts were part of a patrol which was struck by an avalanche in the high altitude areas of Kameng sector in Arunachal Pradesh on 6 February 2022. Search and rescue operations were launched immediately, including airlifting of specialist teams. The rescue teams display the highest degree of skills, recover their fallen brothers under hostile weather conditions in an area located at an altitude of 14,500 feet, which has terraceous terrain and high peaks.